सब्सक्राइब करें डीजी विद्या चैनल को और बेल आइकन को दबाइए लेटेस्ट एजुकेशनल वीडियो सबसे पहले देखने के लिए।
Hello friends, welcome to our channel DG Vidya. Happy Guru Purnima to all of you. Today is Guru Purnima. So for that we are going to make a Google website banner design and vector illustration with Adobe Illustrator. So here I go with Adobe Illustrator. So that's how I create a new artboard, and my width is 500 and 500. It's a square artboard. Okay, the first thing I'll do in Illustrator is first illustrations vector art. So for that I need some raster graphics. So I place an image here, place an image, and I download this image from internet. So after placing the image, I'm going to control bar. In control bar there is option, you can see image trace, and here I go with 16 color image trace. So I just click here and my image is converted into vector. So after that I go to object and expand all of this, and right click, ungroup, right click, ungroup, right click, ungroup. And after that I only need the Buddha, right? I select all of this and delete it. So this is my vector Buddha. I just go to rectangle tool and make a rectangle here, right? And select the rectangle and Buddha and go to Pathfinder tool and just minus front it. So here is my Lord Buddha in vector form. So okay, so after that I want to make some illustrations. Right, here I make 3 shapes. I select all the 3s and press Ctrl G for group. Then I want to make an ellipse here and then Ctrl C, and I select all of these and go to object, clip mask and make it. And I just press Ctrl V to do the copy one and select this one and make this light color, and right click, arrange, send it to back. I select both of these and go to alignment, and I just copy one of this and select all of these and make a group. Right click, arrange, bring it to front and select the Buddha one and the circle one and go to clip mask and make it. So here is my Buddha illustrations. So I just select all of these and press Ctrl G for group. Then what I do, I make a rectangle here and I want to apply a sky color. For sky color I go to window, swatches library, gradient, and I have a sky gradient color, and I apply this gradient color and go to gradient palette and change the angle into 90 degree and right click on it and arrange and send it to back. So here is my Lord Buddha illustrations. So after making the illustrations, I want to write something. Write something means select all of these except the BG, Ctrl G for group, and I just scale down, right? Fine. Then I go to file and place some raster images, and I use same process. Fine. Here is my vector illustrations. So after that I want to use these illustrations for making web banner. So for that I need to go artboard palette. So here is artboard palette. I want to create a new artboard palette. Here is the new artboard palette, and I want to change the size of the artboard. So my size is 970 into 250. So here is a size. So what I do, just look what I do. Fine, I change the color here and I just lock this. Ctrl 2 for lock. I just copy the logo, whole logo, and press Ctrl G for group. So here I want to make some design, so I go to polygon tool, just click it. I need 3 sides. Right, I select all of these and expand this and group them. Ctrl G for press, group them, and I right click, arrange, bring it to front. So I place my Buddha here. Then I want to write some content here. Right, after that I want to import some social media icons. Select all of these, go to object, expand them, right click on group, right click on group. I select all the circles and change the color into, and select all of them and scale down this, press Ctrl G for group, and I want to place this one. Okay, so here is the one I want to place my logo here. So I go to file and place. I want to place my logo. So here is my Vector DigiVidya logo. Right, so next is I go to artboard tool. In artboard tool, I want to create a new artboard. Then I want to edit the artboard and double click on it, and the size will be 728 into 90. These size are fixed size basically for Google Ads. So when you make this type of design, so keep in mind the size will be same like me. I go to artboard tool and drag this just artboard tool to bottom of the big one. Right, so next is fine. This is the second one, and I want to create the last one, and I want to change the size. The size will be 336 pixel into 280 pixel, 336 into 280. So here is my another, and I just copy the BG, and keep in mind the size will be same for Google Ad banner. And select and align this to center. Select both of them, go to alignment and align it. Fine. So here is my Google Ad banner design with vector illustrations of Guru Purnima. So please guys, if you like our design, so please like and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching. Thank you very much.